con él. Mátame más chaparrito, porfa, ¿no? Y ahora el problema era encontrarlo. Y evidencias, ¿no?
Hi everyone, today I started this video super early. That's why you don't see a lot of light in the studio. It's because it's already 6 p.m. It's not super late, but it's late and it gets dark really early. I didn't start early because I felt a little bit anxious. Sometimes I get anxiety during the day, and I'm gonna show you at the end of the video what I do when I get anxiety. So you want to take some of the tips. They're not tips, they're just activities I like to do when I feel anxious. So I finally feel calm and I have my tea right here, and I was reading the graphic novel that I picked as an example of what I want to do with mine. And I also decided that every Monday I'm gonna work on it, on my graphic novel. So I want to do that before the day ends. So I was reading this one, and it's the one I want to use as an example of what I want to do, because let me show you. It's telling you the story right here, but at the same time it has a lot of drawings around, which is what I like the most. You see, it's like 80% of the pages is the drawing and 20% text. Well, some of them have more the others, but it's basically like 80% drawings and just like 20% text, and I like that idea, so I took this one as an example of how I want mine. But at the same time I took this scene from my favorite illustrator, because she also made it kind of like a comic where you have like really few, like just a little text, and most of it is drawings. So I like that idea too. And this one, it's not so thick, and I think mine's gonna be like this one because it's the first one, and I don't think the story I want to tell requires a whole book. So I'm taking this too as an example to have an idea what I want to do. So yeah, that's what I was doing before. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write down the story I want to tell, so I have a clearer idea of the story, of the way I wanna bring the story or wanna tell it. So yeah, I think today I'm just gonna relax and write down this story, and it's gonna be in Spanish, and John is gonna help me to check if everything is okay. Then he's gonna help me to translate it in English, but I'm gonna pay someone probably to make sure that it doesn't have grammar mistakes and all that, but that's gonna be eventually. Right now, let's write down this story and drink some tea. Good morning, guys. I was working on the graphic novel still, and while I was writing down yesterday, last night, and today, I realized that it's not going to be a huge graphic novel because my story, it's really small. It's not a big novel or a biography, so it's probably gonna be something like this, that it's really small, but it's gonna be entertaining, I think. So I think once I finish writing down my script, I'm gonna start sketching. That's gonna probably be next week, and I'm excited for that because that's the fun part for me. And I want to show you how I sketch. I don't want to show you more of me typing on the computer because that's pretty boring. So I think next week I'm gonna start sketching, and this week I'm just gonna finish the script and make sure it makes sense and it's ready and everything. So right now what I want to do is to make an illustration for an idea I have. I want a mug that it says, "Is it Friday yet?" because I was thinking about it last week while I was working. I really wanted it to be Friday because I was super tired. So I wanted a mug that said, "Is it Friday yet?" with a lazy cat illustration, and I was thinking to buy one, but again thought that I could do it myself and I could get it, and maybe I'm gonna sell it on Etsy for you if you're interested. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and I'm gonna take a break from this script. So let's draw together.